In this video, I'm going to show you how to create items in Square. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your dashboard, then you want to go to Items and Services over here on the left, and you want to click on Items. In here, you have the item library, so you want to click on it, and it's going to open up the item library here inside your dashboard, and this is where you can basically create new items in Square. Now, if you don't have any created just yet, it's going to give you a pop-up up top where you can basically create your first item, but if you do have items already, you'll be able to simply click on Create Item top right, and from here, you basically are going to go into the item creation process. Here you can select your item type, so we have a bunch of different ones like physical good, prepared food, event, donation, digital, other, etc. So I'm going to go with physical good over here, and the name here is going to be t-shirt. Okay, of course you can put on whatever you want here, it's completely up to you. I'm just going to add on like a t-shirt. Then the price here, you can put the price. I'm going to put on 20, and of course you have the customer facing description. You can write this out if you wanna. You can drop your images of your items on here as well. Then of course here you can set up taxes if of course they are applicable to you, and then down here you can manage your inventory. So you can go ahead and basically select the location. You can make it available or sold out. You can make it whatever you want, and then you can add variations, modifiers, custom attributes, which I do have separate videos on. So if you're interested in how to do this, you can go watch those videos. And then here you can also manage the checkout. Of course you can select if you can allow these to be purchased on their own or not, etc. Okay, now whenever of course you've done this, you can put in the shipping weight as well, and then you can simply tap on the save button top right, and there we go. Whenever you've done that, it's going to save and your item has been added to your Square item library and you successfully created an item. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.